I love whenever my dogs bark while I'm filming. Like, it's like my favorite thing.
Alright, dude. Go trip over a knife.
My boy, my boy, my boy. Don't love me like you promised.
Okay, you're gonna first start out by priming your eyelids with Neutrogena Skin Clearing Concealer. I'm going to be doing a pink eyeshadow look with a little bit of glitter in the crease to spice this up. I'm just going to be taking the lightest pink and bring that into my crease. And this is just not really going to be that strong to begin with. That's why we're just going down and blending a lot. Next, pink. These things aren't even that good, but it's fine. I definitely have stomach ulcers, but it's fine. We're just layering these pinks. You just really want to pack it on and blend it onto the lid and everything. And this really, really hot pink is going to go in there too. And this is just really going to make it really nice and pink. Now we're going to take a smaller blending brush. I'm going to be taking the Modern Renaissance Love Letter. You know what movie sucks? Mean Girls 2. Okay, now we're going to cut my crease. Okay, so this side's like higher than this side's higher than that side, but it's okay. We're gonna go back into this brush and we're gonna take Love Letter once again and we're just gonna blend onto the half. Okay, and then you're gonna take a glitter liner. I'm using silver. I'm doing it where the cut is. We're gonna move on to face makeup and then I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now I'm back with my face makeup. Everything's a little bit trash today, but like it's fine, you know. I'm fine. So we're gonna be doing teardrops. So we're gonna take Valentine's Day hearts. Here are the hearts that I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna do one right here on both sides of my face. I'm gonna take another one and do it like diagonal like this. They're not gonna be perfect because if you're like me, you're not perfect. And you're gonna do one more right there. Okay, so now you have hearts all over your face looking like a crazy person. Now you're gonna take that blending brush and make sure that these are all stick down. Take one of the pinks and dust over the stickers. And then you're going to take off the sticker. And you're going to end up with that. I don't know if you can see the top one, but it's hearts, okay? Next I'm going to take my glitter liner. That's why I have the glitter liner on. I'm going to take the glitter liner and line the outside of these. So now that you have that done, just make sure that blended a little bit. Okay, and then you're going to take your small blending brush once again and Love Letter and just detail right around the heart tears. Okay, and now I'm going to be using a pink highlighter. I'm going to use Gumdrop and I'm just going to highlight. Okay, now I'm just going to do my eyelashes. And that's today's look. And I really like how it turned out because it's like Valentine's Day obviously and everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, comment down below what you want to see because I have a lot of videos planned. I just want to make sure that these videos are ones that you guys want to see, so please follow on my social medias at Maddie. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, and yeah, I love you guys and see you next time. Yeah.
I thought you were bae. Turns out you're just fam. Bruh.
Alright, dude. Go trip over a knife.
My boy, my boy, my boy. Don't love me like you promised.